In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism martyred two youth, including a young journalist in Srinagar city today. The troops martyred the journalist Rais Ahmed Bhatt and another youth, Bilal Ahmed Ra, during a cordon and search operation in Srinagar area of the city. Rais Ahmed was running an online news portal, Valley News Service. Rais Ahmed is among 20 journalists who fell to Indian state terrorism while performing their duties since the onset of the present phase of the ongoing liberation struggle in 1989. The figure testifies that occupied Jammu and Kashmir is one of the most dangerous places of the world for media persons in particular. Kashmiri journalists face manhandling, abduction, death threats and murder attempts by Indian troops on daily basis. At present, several journalists, including Asif Sultan, Fahad Shah, Sajjad Gul and Aqil Farooq Butt, are behind bars after being booked under draconian laws. In another brutal act, a fast-moving Indian army vehicle deliberately crushed to death two civilians and injured another in Bulgam area of Baramulla district today. The incident took place when an Indian army truck hit a vehicle and a motorcycle on Sopo Baramulla road. People staged protest demonstrations at Bhatindi crossing in Jammu against demolition of their dwellings in the name of anti-encroachment drive by the authorities. The protesters blocked Srinagar-Jammu highway. Indian police registered case against protesters and arrested one, Muhammad Yusuf Wani, for his comments on the anti-encroachment drive on a social media interview. Meanwhile, in the ongoing drive against Kashmiri employees, the fascist Indian government has terminated 5 more government staffers, including 2 police constables and a teacher, on the pretext of sympathizing with the ongoing Kashmir freedom movement. In India, the Allahabad court ordered the release of 3 Kashmiri students of Agra College who were arrested on sedition and cyber-terrorism charges for cheering Pakistan team's victory against India in a T20 World Cup match in October last year. 7 teachers in Gadag district of the Indian state of Karnataka were suspended for allowing Muslim girl students to wear hijab as they appeared in class 10th exams. A 26-year-old Muslim, Litan Mia, was lynched by a Hindutva mob in Sipahijala district of Tripura state. The Hindu mob claimed that the deceased Muslim was involved in cow trade. However, police have denied the charge. On the other hand, Indian authorities stopped prominent journalist Rana Ayub at Mumbai International Airport from going abroad. Rana Ayub is known for being staunch critic of the policies of Narendra Modi-led fascist government.